Want to make the best nachos you've ever had? Come on, let's make them. 1 pound Lars lean ground beef. We want to use a lean ground beef for these nachos. More flavor, less grease. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Add the beef. Push your salt, pepper. Break it up. 2 teaspoons chili powder and garlic powder. 1½ teaspoons each cumin, onion powder. So saute 1 to 2 minutes until fully browned. 1¼ cup black beans, drained, rinse. 2 tablespoons adobo. Don't dry it out. Remove from the heat. Line a sheet pan with parchment. Add the chips. Cheddar cheese. Ratio is key. Don't over cheese it. You want to taste all that flavor. Don't over cheese it. Half of the beef. Second layer, Monterey Jack. Remaining beef. Melt the cheese. Diced tomatoes. Jalapenos. Makes it spicy. Lime crema. Cilantro. Because you fancy. Come on, look at this.